Right now, this curtain wall is just made up of a big expanse of glass. So we need to add curtain grids. So select curtain grid and let's select or add one here. Okay, and then let's add another right there. Let's add another one right here. We can always change the distance after. So let's add 1, 2, 3. Let's add 1, 2, 3, and 4. Okay. Likewise, if you want a horizontal grid, you need to hover over the side or a vertical grid. Okay, let's do one and maybe do another. Okay, I might need another one here. So click. So that's how you add grids. Next, you want to modify the distances. So if you want a design that's not modular in distance or dimension, that's okay. Otherwise, here we do want to place a door, double door at that. So we'll select this grid and zoom in, change that from 1400 in my case to 1000. Okay. If you want to add more mullions or grids, you can do so. So I can select this and likewise change that to 1000. Now it's very important to make that preparation for adding your curtain wall door. Okay, so the curtain wall door will be as big or will be inserted and will take on the size of your panel. So in this case, this should be about 2100. So let's change that to the size of the height of the door. So 2100. And now that I have my panel here, one big panel, the size of which is, let's hover over this, tab, tab, tab. Okay, so that's one panel. But we don't want a grid here at the middle. So we just want a whole panel for our double door. So we need to select this grid and then say add remove segment. Click on that and that should delete that grid line. You still have a grid line here at the top, okay, but not here where your double door will be located. Okay, so if I now select this, you should have one big piece for our double door. Okay, so we can continue adding curtain grids. Okay, save the project. Make sure you save the project early on. So save this. Let's just save it here. So make sure you place your name. I'll just place my initial here and exercise. Sorry, exer 5. Options. One backup is enough. Click OK and save. Okay, so we're going to add more curtain grids right here. So again, to add curtain grids, just hover over the top or any horizontal grids. And if you need to move a grid, you can always select the grid you want to move and then the dimension. So if you want to move a grid here, that's a reference plane. So I might need a grid there. If I need a grid there, again, let's add one there. Okay, I might need a grid here, right there. Okay. Okay. So if I need to move this, So I need to select and select the distance. Let's say I want that to be 1,000. Okay. And then if I want to move this, I can select that, and let's just say I want that to be 1,000. Okay. I can select this, or sorry. Now, if I select this dimension without selecting this grid line, what will happen is that this grid here will move, and this now will be different in dimension. It will not be 1,000 anymore. So let's try that. Okay, so 1,000. So now this changed to 1,200. So again, let's change this to 1,000, and let's change this. Oops, let's select the grid first and change this to 1,000. Now, if you click this temporary or make permanent dimension line icon, that automatically adds the dimension. Okay, so now we have a dimension there. If you don't want that dimension, simply select and delete for now. Okay, so you can continue adding and deleting curtain grids, but that's how you add a curtain grid, and likewise in preparation for a glass double door curtain wall double door here.